Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. How are you doing? Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing great wherever you are watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful, super classy and stunning twist hairstyles for black women. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these twist braid styles. If you're a lover of twist hairstyles, let me know that also in the comment section down below. And if you enjoy watching this video, do also like the video and share the video with others so they get to see this amazing hairstyles collection. And if you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Lex Omo Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You also get to see amazing hairstyles on the channel. If you enjoy watching this video and you want to see more videos like this, do well to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified when I upload a new video on the channel. You are welcome to this amazing fashionista family, and I'm happy to have you here with us. I'll leave you now to watch this video till the end so you don't miss out on any of these hairstyles that we compiled for you. I'm going to see you in another beautiful, exciting and interesting episode on the channel. Remember to stay safe out there and do well to like, share, subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification bell. Leave your thoughts about this hairstyles collection, and I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.